about 10 minutes away from starting the Haijang Loop. Very excited. It's very cold. How do you feel?
Cold.
Cold. It's freezing. And we do like 6 hours a day of driving. And I have to have a lesson first because I've never driven one with gears. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun. I'll update you later. Look at all the easy riders. About to go. Are you ready? You ready? You ready? Proper boy racing. This is the gang. That's my bike. Done one police checkpoint now. I'm confused as hell. I've kind of figured it out though. We're cruising now, baby. Cruising! The views are fucking crazy. Lovely. Back on the road.
Okay, thank you.
Or is it the money that I can't pay? We came up a long way. Jesus. So they pick you up, and so somebody gets on my bike, drives me past the police, and then you get back on the bike, so that we don't get fined by the police for not having licenses. Yeah, that's the wagon. So now we just have to wait for the rest of the group, and then we get back on the road. On the road again. What do you need? I got some stuff.
Do you have aspirin? Blood thinning aspirin by any chance?
I have Valium.
Yeah.
on the road.
Back on the road.
We keep stopping every like 20 minutes and we're not driving very fast. So we're not making up much ground. Like on the Thakek loop, we drove so much faster, so we did all of our driving within 2 hours and then had loads of time to go to waterfalls and stuff. Whereas we're stopping off every 20 minutes, for 20 minutes. So it's just breaking it down and like, I just want to get in the groove on the bike and just go a bit faster. I had one little moment where I hit my back brake too hard and skidded around a corner, which almost threw me off, but I'm gonna play it off as it was intentional and it looked cool. So yeah, and they're making looms and shit. Interesting. Hello. I didn't film any of the last bit because it was genuinely terrifying coming up that. Kind of shit myself the whole time. It's a pretty crazy view. I've been enjoying the driving, that's the thing. Pure blimey.
Yeah, that's a good shout actually. I'm going to get a yeah.
Almost at home state number 1, 5 o'clock. Easy. I'm hungry. I want bevs. It's been a long day. I'll film more of the views tomorrow because the roads are gorgeous, but they're just like really difficult. So with one hand it's a little bit tough, but I feel like I can manage tomorrow. It's day 2. I got pretty crunk last night. Not feeling great, but getting back on the road. I don't feel good. Day 2 on the bikes. Obviously, I'm at the front. Silly question, isn't it, really? Oh, I'm so hungover. It's not fun. Stop off number 1 of the day. That's interesting.
Sure to put this in here. Lego pizza.
That's where we just came from. Crazy roads. It's awesome. Back on the road. There's so many people, man. I've been filming this road. Roads are really bad and wet. So this is another stop. It's just started raining. I'm freezing cold. My feet are wet. My head is wet. I'm fucking freezing. But the views are pretty crazy. It's lovely.
I just, if any of my hands, throw my phone down. No matter what.
It's like a bullet from a gun, it burns. It's insane. Some of the best views I've ever seen in my life. But it is freezing cold. She's here. That is China. Over there. Another gorgeous stop off. Holy shit. Wow. This country's gorgeous. Yet another bloody stop off. Feels like every 10 minutes, to be honest. We just came down that crevice up these roads. Now we go back down the other side. That is walking out a cow. Crazy. Are you alright? So, they've chucked us off our bikes. We're walking up there where all those people are. I mean, the views are pretty insane. Scary though, I can't lie. I don't fuck with heights. Terrifying. Crazy views.
Creatures of my dreams rise up and dance with me.
must be at least the second tallest person in Vietnam right now. I don't know if there's any mountains bigger than this. What do you think? This is insane. Insane.
Oh my, what you do to me? Like lightning when I'm swimming in the sea. From the very first time we loved, from the very first time we touched, walking on wires and power lines. You put your body on top of mine. Every time that you lift me up.
This is the home for the night. Pretty gorgeous. Really nice. Gonna wake a whole 5 minutes. Oh no, I don't need that.
I need.
I'm a man. I'm gonna wake a whole 3 minutes and I'm already getting on the bike. You can yeah, I'll just woken up. Excited. Day 3.
Oh my, what you do to me? Like lightning when I'm swimming in the sea. From the very first time we loved, from the very first time we touched, walking on wires and power lines. You put your body on top of mine. Every time that you lift me up to the heaven and stars above.
Oh Lord of mercy, I'm begging you, please. I'm feeling drained, I need love. You charge me up like electricity. Jumpstart my heart with your love. There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful. There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful.
I couldn't leave if I wanted to, 'cause something keeps pulling me back to you. From the very first time we loved, from the very first time we touched. The stroke of your fingers, the scent of you lingers. My mind running wild with thoughts of your smile. Oh, you gotta give me some. Oh, you could give it all, but it's never enough, no.
There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it.
Like meet people. Overrated snooky pooky poop.
Hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful.
Hold me in your arms, burns like fire, electricity. When you're close, I feel the sparks. Takes me higher to infinity.
Now we're going on a bloody raft down the river. This is interesting. Interesting. I'm freezing cold. I shouldn't have gone in the water.
Ôi mà tụi mà. Ôi để tao lăn nằm với mình.
Going into a cave. Cave number 704 of this trip. Oh, I just want to be back on the motorbikes. Yeah, Ramsey's gonna struggle. Cave. Cave. Good cave. Rambo's gone off into the darkness. You can just see him now.
Rambo.
Rambisney.
Rambaroo. Hey. Oh, have you seen it?
I didn't film any of the last drive because it was genuinely like stupidly difficult. One wrong move and you're going over a cliff like this. It's a pretty crazy view. First bit of the loop where I've feared for my life. Okay. We can't be too far away. It's already 3 o'clock.
Usually by 4 we get to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and we skipped some today, so I don't know.
I just can't handle any more of those fucking roads. My hands are actually in so much pain. Not fun. home for the night. We made it.
Sorry at the bottom of this bottle when I'm at bed. When the lights go up, I wanna wash away. Take the stage by storm. Got your picture, I'm coming with you. Dear Maria, got me in. There's a story at the bottom of this bottle and I'm the pen. I live my life on the sun that shine. People say it's just a waste of time. That's a shame, that should be my head. But that's a thing, which is to take my bed. I take my car and drive real far. You're not concerned about the way we are. In my life now, I'm a rock and roll star. Yo, your sex is on fire. True or false, and baby, she's still out to get me.
It's the last day. I'm hungover as shit. Ready to get back on the road. I'm so hungover and I've just been told that the roads today are really bad. Exciting. Water. I'm honestly critically hungover. Apparently we're now going to swim in a waterfall. However, it's a brisk -1,000,000 degrees. So I'm not sure if I will, but maybe. Also, I left my fucking Palace swimming shorts at the hostel, so they're gone. And, the water looks lovely. It's definitely cleared my hangover, that swim. But I am fucking freezing. Freezing, family.
Your body on top of mine. Every time
drained, I need love. You charge me up like electricity. Jumpstart my heart with your love. There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful. There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful.
I couldn't leave if I wanted to, 'cause something keeps pulling me back to you. From the very first time we loved, from the very first time we touched, the stroke of your fingers, the scent of you lingers. My mind running wild with thoughts of your smile. Oh, you gotta give me some. Oh, you could give it all, but it's never enough, no.
There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful. There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so.
Lunch has been had. Now we get to see a waterfall. Really cool. I like it. I feel like dead on my feet. I've got no energy left. I cannot wait to get on a bus for 12 hours and sleep. Right, obviously I'm enjoying myself, but I'm knackered. Fucking knackered. Foggy, isn't it?
A little bit. Wow, alright. Oh my god, you can't do that to me.
I'm actually fed up of this loop now. I'm so tired. I've never felt this rough, bro. It's like my whole body hurts and I'm knackered and I need a shit. Last stop at the Haijang. Like 20 minutes left, and then I can lie down. Exciting. Done. We're back in Haijang. Thank God. The last stretch. Back to the hostel. It's done. There we go. Just in time for dinner. And now I have another 12-hour bus. 12-hour bus to Hanoi to get on. That's gonna be great, but I'm so tired that I'm gonna sleep the whole way. I can't wait. The Haijiang loop's been fun, but fuck me, it's tiring. It's really tiring. I'm dead man walking. But yeah. This might be the last clip, so